blushing.
How does you feel? They feel irritated, right? That's how. You have to make sure that they are enjoying the transition part, okay? This lid part ಗೆಲ್ಲ glitter shimmers ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Transition ಗೆ ಈ portion ಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ shimmer glitter ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. Okay? Whatever the products I use, most of the products are from Crayon. 80% of my kit is filled with the Crayon. Because the thing, the finishing that it gives, no, you will only feel that flawless finishing nalli niಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so it doesn't feel at all ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ products and brushes ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. The blending will be like a skin like thing.